Guys, welcome back to another video. Nathan Does Vids here, and today in this video I'm going to be opening the packs of TOPPS 2017 Heritage High Number Baseball. This is part 2 of my series for this, the High Number Heritage Baseball, and part 1 was great. I didn't get any hits or anything, but hopefully this time I can get hits. I'm opening 5 more packs, and yeah, so let's start ripping into these packs. So last time I opened this last video, the part 1, these are all the cards. I'm starting to sort them already into the teams, so, you know. And if you want to watch that, pause this video right now. I'll have it in the eye in the sky and in the description, so go watch that first so you know what I'm opening. Okay, so let's see if I know how to do this. I've seen on some videos that people do it like that, like this. Oh, there we go. Now that kind of looks a little nicer. Let's adjust the camera a little. So there's this big pack, and that has 3 cards in one. I'm gonna open this in one of my last videos, so you have to wait to see that. So I'm gonna pick 5 more packs, and hopefully I can get something good. I've been watching videos and stuff on people getting some cool stuff, and yeah. Basically, if I find something cool, I'll put it in a top loader and a sleeve. So I'll have those handy right there. This is not sponsored by anyone, not TOPPS. I would like to be, but, you know, I'm not. So I'm going to pick 5 packs. Hopefully they're not anything special. 1, 2, trying to feel if they're thick. 3, 4, and they all seem kind of thick. 5. So I think they're all the same size. They look pretty much the same size. So let's start ripping into these packs. I'm going to open the first pack right now. But before I open it, I know I say that a lot in my videos, but like they bring in, oh yeah, in this like series they do, TOPPS does it, they bring back they have today's stars in the 1968 design. So that it's basic, it looks like this. So hopefully I can find some numbered cards, and yeah, let's open this first pack. Oh, I hit the camera. I am so sorry about that. It's like trying to focus right now. Hello? What is it doing? Okay, I'm so sorry about that. I can't really end the clip because, like, you know, I can't open the same pack again. So, there we go. Let's flip this over. We got Devin Mascaro. I suck at these names, FYI, okay? And I guess they look for color swaps. So, like, say a Reds card could have, like, a black thing in it. And look for Cody Bellinger stuff. Like, Cody Bellinger things. And here are the odds. If you want to take a second for that, to look at that, pause the video and then just look at this. So, basically we have this Mescaro, Devin Mescaro, Matt Latos for the Blue Jays, Brad Brock, Drew Smiley, Greg Holland, Jeff Mathis, Carlos Carsaco, and I guess you can look for action shots too. So like, see how they're posing? Like you can look for action shots, like actually playing the game. Martin Perez, and Jose Biarros. So I'm gonna check on the back, see if I missed anything here. And tell me in the comments if you guys like baseball cards, what I should open next after this series. And if I miss anything, then tell me. I don't think I'm missing anything. But I don't know. So I'll put that off to the side. So he's been pitching great. Next we got Alex Meyer, James Paxton, and rookie card Daniel Robertson, and Andrew Tiggs. Let me just check these. Okay. If I'm missing anything, please tell me. On to the next pack. I just checked, and this is nothing. It's normally that. I'm just not used to the purple. So I'm going to put that actually back over there. Okay. I ramble a lot in my videos. I'm sorry for that. But, you know, I like talking. Oh, I keep hitting the camera. Oh, that was a hard pack to open. Okay. We got... Whoa. Why is it all, like, dirty in the background? Oh, no, that's a tree. We got Mike... Oh, we got something there. We got Mike Felsky, Rajay Davis, Jason Vargas, a former Angel, Matt Olson, Cody Bellinger, rookie performers. I think that's just an insert. Antonio Santilia. Huh. Oh. Rookie card, Jordan Montgomery. I have a card, another rookie card from TOPPS Chrome that my friend traded with me. So that's kind of cool. Sierra, rookie card, and Andrew Alberns. Check for... Oh, and the thing was short printed. Short print. Whatever that means. I'm not a big card guy. Whatever short print means. If you know what short print means, please tell me in the comments down below. I'm just going to keep... So, this is the final pack. Hopefully I can open this a little better. Oh, I suck at opening packs. There we go. Hopefully there's something nice in here, because so far this video has been nothing. It looks like nothing. So we got Aaron Arthur, Pat Valeka, Austin Hedges, Matt Henderson. That's a cool picture. Award, Corey Seager, NL Rookie of the Year. I think that's an insert. Yeah, it is. Still kind of cool, so I'll put that in the cool pile. We got Matt Albers again. I got Andrew Albers and Matt Albers. I think they're brothers. Carlos Asusaje. I can't pronounce that. Rookie card, Derek Law and Dan Volbanek. I have another card that's Dan Volbanek. It's signed. Let's see if I can find it. Oh, here we go. There's that. But, okay. So, I got nothing super special in this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. It's going to be part 3. Let me just check through these. See if they're numbered or anything. Is this numbered? No. Okay, so please like this video, subscribe, share with your friends. Subscribe, hit the notification button so you won't miss any of my newer videos to this series. Like this video, subscribe, share with your friends, do whatever you want with this video. I will see you guys not next week, in my next video. Ka-chow. So, before I end this, I know I technically ended it, but I just figured out that this is a base short print because of the number ends with the 33, and the bases just end. Oh, that's a 33, so that's a short print. Wait. Oh, and 23 is the normal ones, so these are the base short prints, I guess. And these are just the bases. And I've gotten nothing else yet. Like, no traded cards, I don't think. I mean, maybe this old Chapman that I got. But it doesn't say traded. So, oh, and then it's a 2-3. So, I'll check through all the cards. And in my next video, I'll tell you if I got anything special and I didn't know about. But, yeah, you don't need to tell me in the comments, unless you want to, any tips or anything. So, these are, the base, short printed cards. And these are just the base cards. See you guys in my next video. Ka-chow.